In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the Prestige theme by Maestro on Shopify. Now, before we dive into any customization, let's explore what the Prestige theme already offers without needing to touch a single line of code. One of the great features of Prestige is its support for color swatches on product variants. This means your customers can view and select different variant colors directly from swatches, enhancing their shopping experience. Additionally, with the built-in Shop the Look feature, you can add clickable hotspots to lifestyle images on your site, linking directly to featured products. This can be a powerful visual tool to showcase your collections. There are also various sections available like featured collections, banners, and text overlays that offer flexibility in image layout, text size, and positioning. In the footer, you have options to control which link menus appear, manage the newsletter sign-up, and add store information. Many desired changes can be seamlessly achieved by navigating to customize in the theme editor, thus avoiding any need for coding. To begin making customizations with the Prestige theme without coding, the first step is to duplicate your theme. Head over to Shopify Admin, navigate to Online Store, then Themes. Once there, click Actions and select Duplicate. This step is crucial as it creates a backup of your theme before you apply any edits, ensuring you have a fallback option if needed. Next, open your theme editor by selecting Actions and then Customize on your Prestige theme. Once inside, you can start modifying your homepage sections and blocks. You have the flexibility to add or remove sections such as banners, images with text, featured collections, and Shop the Look sections. For the Shop the Look feature, simply upload your desired lifestyle image and place hotspots to link to your products. Additionally, you can adjust the alignment, the position of your banner images, and apply text overlays as required. Moving on to variant and swatches settings on product pages, locate the variant picker or selector style and change it to swatch if the option is available. Should the color names not accurately represent the actual colors, you can map them by setting custom colors in the theme settings under the color swatch section, aligning names with the appropriate CSS color codes. For header and navigation, within the theme editor, access the header section. Here you can adjust the logo size and decide if the header should be transparent on the home page, as well as manage announcement or countdown bars at the top. You can also select which navigation menu appears in the header and adjust that menu from Online Store, then Navigation, allowing you to add, remove, or reorder links as necessary. Footer customization is accessible through the footer section in the theme editor. Decide which link lists you want to display and add blocks for content, like contact info, a newsletter sign-up, or social icons. Use the theme settings and then colors typography to modify the footer's background color, link text color, and more. Finally, in the theme settings, feel free to change the typography by selecting different fonts for headings and body text. Additionally, you can adjust the site's color palette, including primary and secondary colors, and even button styles to align with your brand. With these steps, you'll be able to customize your Prestige theme on Shopify effectively, giving your store a unique and personalized touch that reflects your brand identity perfectly.